Our client bought this resale property that is located in Whitefield, Bangalore, and contacted Inkstone Infra for renovation. From floor to ceiling, everything is renovated in this 2 BHK apartment. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Siddharth, founder of Inkstone Infra, the one-stop solution for end-to-end home renovation in Bangalore. Let's get into the video. The scope of work includes both civil renovation and interior design. Civil renovation includes complete floor renovation, bathroom renovation, both common bathroom and master bedroom bathroom, French window creation, and remodeling the dining space. Interior design includes TV unit design, a fully functional and stylish modular kitchen, wardrobes in the master bedroom, kids bedroom, crockery unit, puja unit, and a dresser. Renovation in living room. The living room did not have the right provision for placement of TV and sofa. So, we extended the wall through designer partition and created a contemporary TV unit this way. This interior space planning provides provision for placement of sofa, and it also covers the wash basin in the dining area. The TV unit is long and continuing with a storage space in one corner and rafters on the designer partition. It has simple suspended drawers, a panel, and designer partition. The color palette is kept minimal with matte finish frosty white laminate and earthy brown rafters. The design is complete with profile lights in white shade. The false ceiling design not only highlights the interior design of this living room but also accommodates the spotlights in the periphery, a modern chandelier in the center, and ceiling fans. In the dining area, we have demolished the existing wash basin and designed a crockery unit and a refrigerator unit. We have replaced the old balcony door with this French window. A modern puja unit with traditional touches designed. It has enough storage space for placement of puja essentials. The puja unit door is custom designed with CNC and finished with gopuram light structure on the top. The puja unit inside design is completed with placement of granite, so this way cleaning becomes easy. The entire house floor is renovated. Double charged crystal white tiles are carefully chosen for the entire house, which gives a spacious and illuminated look. Bathroom renovation. This apartment had two old bathrooms. The common bathroom had a squat toilet and outdated tiles and fittings. We remodeled the old bathroom by demolishing existing bathroom and upgraded it to a premium bathroom. Take a look at the new bathroom. It has anti-skid tiles for the floor. Wall tiles are laid till the ceiling with horizontal space joint and vertical paper joint. The single shoe type commode from the brand Serra is installed. The plumbing fixtures include a overhead shower, hot and cold mixer tap, and a hand shower. This is about the common bathroom renovation. The master bathroom is renovated in a similar way. Take a look at the master bathroom transformation. From old outdated bathroom to modern bathroom with updated fittings and fixtures. The old kitchen is replaced with a modern kitchen with sufficient storage space and functionality. It has a base unit, overhead units, and high volume lofts. The color palette of this modular kitchen is kept simple with willow green and Turkish wood laminate combination that reflects serenity. The base unit accommodates tandem boxes for cutlery, plane and thali unit and bottle pull-out unit and storage in cabinets and is furnished with classic black granite countertop and quad sink. It has a continuous tall unit that has a storage cabinets and provision for microwave oven. The overhead unit has a corner storage space facilitating safe and easy access. It accommodates the chimney. A water purifier provision is created above the sink. The loft conceals the chimney exhaust pipe and provides sufficient storage for the rarely used household items. The kitchen leads to utility area that accommodates washing machine and large sink. Also, the old kitchen did not have provision for refrigerator. So, we have demolished the wall and created a provision for placement of refrigerator. This is about the kitchen renovation. Moving on to the bedroom interior design. In the master bedroom, a hinged door wardrobe is designed with high volume lofts in this classic white and earthy brown color combination. Space planning in a nutshell. Earlier, the wardrobes were on this wall, which is a Lendier wall. This made the space look narrow and long, and it was difficult to accommodate a comfortable bed. So, we have demolished the wardrobes on the Lendier wall and created new wardrobes on the shorter wall. This gave us a spacious room and is a perfect example for right space planning. In the kids' bedroom, a hinged wardrobe with subtle color combination is designed and is complete with high volume lofts. So, this was about the interior design of this 2 BHK apartment. The complete house electrical renovation and plumbing renovation is done. The windows are upgraded to new UPVC sliders. Let's move on to the most beautiful part of this project, that is lighting and decor. Modern chandelier, sufficient spotlights in white shades elevates the look of this house. The home renovation and interior design project gets completed only after the painting is done. We have given premium emulsion painting from the brand Asian Paints to this house. Coming to the painting shades chosen. The shades are carefully chosen considering two very important factors: the natural and artificial lighting available and the interior design. The walls of living area and dining area is painted with powder puff. The master bedroom walls has calamine shade for highlight and pearl star for the complementary walls. Kids' bedroom is painted with sky pink, and the kitchen wall is painted with the shade white forest. Apricot shade is painted on the doors. So, this was about the home tour of this renovation project. For end-to-end home renovation in Bangalore, contact us today. For more videos on home renovation, house structural renovation and interior design, please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank you.